Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into University of Arden. First of all, you have to open a Google web browser or any other preferable browser you prefer. And in the top, there is a URL section right here. Type Arden University and click on it. And from the search results, you will see the Arden University right over here on the top result. Click on that option and we could see we just landed to the Arden University official homepage, and in the top right corner there's a student login right over here. Click on that and we have to scroll a bit down, and here we could see there's a login option right over here. That's us Arden student login section. Click on that, and in order to sign into your account you can simply pick the account if you already have in your screen, or you can click on the second option that says use another account. And type down your email, and you can simply click on the next and you will be successfully signed into your Arden University. But if you cannot access your account, you can click on this option that says can't access your account, and you can recover your account. So that is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.